Flave City family, what is up? It is Bobby coming at you at the happiest place on earth, a wet Costco parking lot. But you know what? It's always sunny in Costco, and today we're going to do another one of those Costco shopping hauls plus recipes. I'm really enjoying making these videos, so I hope you like them too. So here's the game plan. First, we go into Costco and we shop for all the ingredients we need to make spice-crusted lamb chops with blistered green beans and insane sauce. It's a ridiculously good recipe and it's super simple with great ingredients and products from Costco. So let's go into Costco and do the thing we always do, then go home and cook. But I also want you to check out thrivemarket.com using my promo link down below. Thrive is a 6-year supporter of the channel, and the reason why I love them is pretty much anything you can find at almost any grocery store is on Thrive Market, but it's cheaper. You save about $32 per order, and the box comes to your door. You never have to leave the house if you don't want to, and right now, Flave City fans are getting the hookup. When you click my link down below, you get 25% off your first order, a free gift. One of those free gifts is a bottle of Primal Kitchen avocado oil and ranch, and it's 30 days risk-free. There's nothing to worry about. So try them out using my link down below. Okay, less talking, more shopping, and then some cooking. Let's go into Costco. It always boggles my mind that 40% of Americans had never tried lamb, and my friends, you're missing out. If you want a starter lamb chops are the one you're gonna want, because if you get something like a leg of lamb, it's a little gamier. This is a really lovely flavor. The price is great. Now, it used to be $1 cheaper, I think last year or early this year. It's still, go to any other grocery store, it's over $20 a pound. This is Australian lamb, and I can promise you it's 100% grass-fed, because I was in Australia 3 years ago, and almost everything they do there is grass-fed. I'm gonna slice this off the bone and do individual chops. Fun fact, because this is vacuum sealed in Australia and then shipped here, it gets wet aged during the transportation process. You actually get a more tender, more juicy rack of lamb for free, right? Because it's during the transportation process. This is lovely. The price is lovely. And for my 40% of Americans, wait until you see the recipe. Later on, you're gonna run on down to Costco and get that and get on the bandwagon. This aisle is gonna have quite a few things we need. This is aisle 309. It has the goods, and we're gonna start with spice rub for those lamb chops. And you have to be careful with spice rubs. You gotta read the ingredients. I see a lot of people scanning this brand here with the Bobby approved app, and it's not approved because just read the ingredients. There's no reason to put processed sunflower in here. Sunflower oil is highly processed, highly inflammatory. It has no business being in there. It's still a soft launch, but if you go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and search Bobby Approved, you can download my app. You can scan any barcode at any grocery store. It tells you if it's Bobby Approved or not and why. Check it out. I'm gonna go with this. I've actually tried it before, and it's quite yummy. It's the organic no salt seasoning. And I love the fact there's no salt because I want to control the amount of salt and what kind of salt I use for my spice rub. But look at this. This is lovely, right? We got red bell pepper, we've got onion, garlic powder, but check it out. We also got orange peels, nice Mediterranean flavor, oregano, summer savory, coriander. This is super yummy. I think on the lamb, it's going to be great. And that's a lot. That's 14.5 ounces for $8. You can shake this over chicken. You can shake it over ribs or steak. This is going to be great. It's going in the cart. And then we need an oil to sear those lamb chops at high heat. I still haven't got a concrete answer about the new avocado oil from Otavio, if it's going to be a high quality Bobby approved one yet. So I'd still hold off on that. If you still have the Chosen Foods avocado oil or Marianne's, get that. I just don't know about that because, once again, the avocados are not just from Mexico, they're from Kenya too. So I have to make sure that it's a pure high quality one. In the meantime, just get this. This is my cooking extra virgin olive oil. And if you haven't heard me say it a million times, this is rated in studies as one of the best quality pure extra virgin olive oils. It's my cooking extra virgin olive oil. The price is fantastic. And I'm not saying the other ones, the organic one or the Spanish one, are bad, but this is rated as one of the best pure real extra virgin olive oils. So this is great. Some Costco's do have grass-fed ghee, which I'm actually gonna use at home. If you have that, it's typically on the West Coast, I would get it. Otherwise, when you check out Thrive Market using my promo link down below, the Thrive Market branded grass-fed ghee is one of the best deals at any grocery store, outside of Costco, of course. It's fantastic. You see me use it all the time. The price is great, and when you get 25% off your first order using my link down below, it's even better. So definitely try that out, or get the good quality avocado oil if you have it, or just get the Kirkland 100% Italian extra virgin olive oil too. And before I leave the magical aisle here of 309, we need pecans. And I have no problem getting this monster bag. We're gonna put this in the insane green beans with that mayonnaise sauce, chop up some pecans for crunch. And if you think you can't go through all these, don't worry, just stash them in the freezer in a zip top bag. That'll preserve the shelf life. Otherwise, at room temperature, the essential oils in here could go rancid. And 2 pounds for $11.49 of USA pecans is A-okay. We have entered the cooler. It's freezing in here, so I'll make it very brief. This is such a great deal. A 2-pound bag of organic green beans, $3 a pound, is a really good deal, but wait till you try blistered green beans. Green beans in a really hot pan so they get kind of blistered, almost kind of like burnt on the outside, with pecans and red onions, and then tossed in a creamy, tangy mayonnaise dressing. The reason why I call them insane sauce green beans, because they're insanely delicious, insanely good price, insanely cold in here. Let's get out. Glory days, da, 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 da. It's back. Woo! So they discontinued the smaller glass bottle, and now they have the big plastic 32-ounce best-in-class avocado oil mayonnaise from Chosen for a ridiculous price. This is literally half price of any grocery store. We need this for the insane sauce for the green beans, and yeah, it's in plastic, not the biggest deal. This is America, bigger's better. This is big, that's better. When you come to Costco next time, you're gonna see they have a couple sale items for dishwashing detergent. This is something I wouldn't buy here. I talk more and more about having a non-toxic home, and stuff like the soaps you use, the sprays you use, and the detergents you use can really be bad news. They could have toxins in there, something called parabens or endocrine disruptors, which seriously mess up your hormones. So I wouldn't get any of those sale items. This is the best one they have here. It's Ecos. It's actually very, very solid. It's not on sale, right? But it's still a good deal. But what I actually use at home is the Thrive Market branded dish pods, right? They're actually highly rated. I mean, like one of the most quality non-toxic ones on the market, and the price is right. They're little pods, they work great, and they're fantastic. And when you use my promo link down below, you get an extra 25% off your order and the free gift. Those are great, but if you're at Costco, please don't get the traditional ones for your dishwasher or your laundry detergent. Get this one. This is the best non-toxic one you can get at Costco. If you haven't seen the video yet, the other week I took this organic mango salsa here and I made a keto gluten-free salmon cake with mango salsa on top, and then a really nice cauliflower pilaf with mango salsa in it. It was dynamite. Check out that video when I'm done after this. But I still have leftover organic mango salsa, so as a sauce for the lamb chops, I think I'll blend up some of that with some of the organic Greek yogurt and make a really creamy kind of mango-y yogurt sauce. That's gonna be bomb.com. All right, did we get everything on the list, you guys? I think so too. Let's head back to the kitchen and let's cook. Okay, let's start off this recipe by cutting the lamb chops into individual chops. There's kind of a bone at the bottom. Just wiggle your knife around and they should pop off pretty easily. Season the chops with a good pinch of unrefined salt and shake over some of that spice rub, and do it on both sides, and then press in the spice rub. To make that creamy mango yogurt sauce, add a few scoops of that Costco mango salsa to a food processor, along with a few scoops of the Greek yogurt, and then blend until nice and smooth. That's kind of the texture you're looking for right there. Let's add some avocado oil to a nonstick ceramic pan, and then add a bunch of those organic green beans. Give them a mix up, and then put the splatter guard on top. For the insane sauce, add about a half a cup of the mayo to a bowl, along with a heaping teaspoon and a half of stone ground mustard. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Shake in about a teaspoon of tamari soy sauce, and a half teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, a good squirt of sriracha sauce, a pinch of salt, a few cracks of black pepper, and then mix it up very well, and the sauce is done. Now check out these green beans. This is blistered. The color is going to add so much flavor. Add some salt, turn the heat down, go in with a half a cup of chopped red onions and some chopped pecans, and cook that for just a couple minutes. Then take it off the heat, let it cool down a bit, and then add the insane sauce. Give it a good mix up, and I'm telling you, if you think your family won't eat green beans, they will love this. See, even Rose Honey's gonna give it a try. Looks like it's Rose approved. It's time to cook the lamb chops. Add some avocado oil to a cast iron pan, and then get them in and press down. Uh-oh, we're making a mess again. Press down, that way it makes good contact with the pan. I'm gonna add no more than 4 chops to the pan at one time, and then immediately add the splatter guard. After about 3 to 4 minutes, that's what you want. Crusty lamb chops with a golden brown crust. They don't get any messier and better than that. Put the splatter guard back on. After another 2 or 3 minutes, get them out of the pan and let them rest a couple minutes. All right, let's eat. Add a good portion of the green beans to a plate, along with that creamy mango sauce. I'm pretty hungry tonight, so I'm gonna add 3 crusty lamb chops to the plate, and then top it with a good drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. And that's it, my friends. Dinner is ready. Rose, you want a bite? Yeah? Mmm. That is good lamb. My gosh. Seasoned perfectly. Here, Rose. All right, that's good. Yummy? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Let's try the green beans.
Green bean.
Green bean. Want a green bean too?
Yeah.
Insane in the membrane. Call me Cypress Hill. Say green bean.
Green bean.
Green bean for Rosie. Rose approved?
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, that is it. Make this recipe. I'll put the link in the description box. Also, big love to Thrive Market. Try them out. I told you some of my favorite stuff, but I'll put a list, Rose, of all my favorite Thrive Market items in the description box. But my link down below gets you 25% off your first order, the free gift, and 30 days risk-free. So try it out. Try this recipe out. Rose, Desi, and I are out because we're going to eat this right now. Drink some keto, chemical-free, sugar-free wine. And that is it. Until I see you next time, hashtag, what did I say? Mad love. No, keep on cooking. Mad love. Peace. Later, guys.